Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. The designer asked me to come up with a way to attach something to the side porch. No, not railings and not spa or a hot tub or anything like that. What she wants to do is hang up a mixed media item. This thing. It's a picture of a windmill with the vanes of a windmill attached to the front. They're made out of sheet metal, so it's kind of cool. And on the side porch, I already took half a windmill vane that I bought down in Shipshewana and attached it to the gable on the end of the roof over the porch. So this will match that and it'll kind of go together. Designer thinks that way. Unfortunately, I don't. But anyways, one of the problems we have is the side porch faces west. That means all the wind generated normally comes from the west. A couple other times, but mostly it comes from the west. And it's usually pretty strong because it's got a good 70-acre cornfield over there to blow across to pick up steam. So I need to make this so it doesn't fly off the wall. Now normally I would just put screw holes in the four corners and fasten it right solid to the wall. But I don't want to have the screws showing through the front of it. And Lydia already has a nail on the wall that she'd like to have this hung on. So I thought, okay, what can I do to attach this so that it's not going to come off? And I came up with an idea. I'm going to drill 2 holes in the top, right at the center of this top rail. And then I'm going to put a piece of wire through that and loop it down so that when I put it on the wall, the wire goes over the nail, and then I can pull it up, cinch it up, and tighten it off. So that's what I'm going to do right now. First I have to measure it. "10 inches, that makes it easy. Go right to the 5, make a mark. And about a 1/4 inch either side of that, make another mark. And I want to drill 2 holes, one on the either side of where the nail is going to be, about in the middle. I'll use a bit of this picture hanging wire. And thread it up through one side. Then the other. Now I just put the nail in there, cinch this up, twist the wires, clip off the ends, and the picture's hung. And it won't come off the nail. So, this is what I'm going to do. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. I just pull the wire up. Yep, that's got it hooked. Yep, twisting the loop. And we are good to go. Clip off the extra wire. Just a simple loop. And I want to tap these down so there's not a sharp point sticking up. That way if somebody runs their finger over the top of it, they won't get stuck. That looks nice. There, that kind of ties the whole thing together. Very happy with the result, and once again, the designer has done a good job. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.